Welcome back. Train fares are likely to increase. The Indian Railways have decided to revise passenger fares by 2 to 3% from October 7th. The fares will be increased following fuel adjustment component. Railways is expected to revise the passenger and freight tariff in every 6 months after taking into account the input cost and the prevailing market condition. With rising prices on fuel and diesel, now Indian Railways have decided to go ahead with hike in railway fares. The revised fares of railway will be increased by 2 to 3%. This hike may be implemented by second week of October. According to the calculation, railways will have to bear a burden of rupees 1,200 crores due to increased energy and input cost in next 6 months. Railways have imposed 15% levy as the busy season charge on all commodities from 1st October. Railway Minister Mallikarjun Kharge says, fuel adjustment component was announced in the budget and as per the budget proposal, it should have been implemented from October 1st. File containing the fuel adjustment component proposal has come to me and I am examining it and a decision will be taken shortly. Bureau Report, Prudent. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar launched Lusophonia Games 2014 website on Friday. The website will provide interactive platform for the successful organization of the games. During the press conference, Parrikar clarified that the loan from EDC was necessary for the speedy completion of the work as the past government had created a financial blunder.
Parrikar launched the website www.lusophoniagames2014.gov.in, which will provide all information regarding the games. Parrikar explained the reason behind seeking 150 crore rupees loan from EDC.
The work requires 270 crores expenses, whereas budgetary allocation is only 110 crores. So 160 crores taka shortfall asa because we have to spend this money over a period of 7 to 8 months. Meantime, the balance supplementary gap, 150 crores, 160 crores, that they have been told to obtain from financial institute payable by the government over a period of time. हातूंतलो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो क्वेश्चन जो आसा पळय तो 82 कोटी जे केंद्रान दिल्ले ते खंय गेले हो क्वेश्चन आहा. That question should be asked to Sardin.
The Chief Minister feels that the operational aspect of the infrastructure should be ready this month. Games CEO Keshav Chandra highlighted the importance of the interactive website.
We have launched because this is a portal, very dynamic site, and it will be able to take all the loads, technological loads for the games. Now this site would give information about all 9 sports, all 9 disciplines, and the information about the games, as you can see that about the venues, volunteers, and whatever the ticketing part is also would be covered under this.
Meanwhile, the ongoing stalemate in the basketball administration drew this response from Parrikar.
दोग जाण ग्रुप झगडटात तांकां आमी एकत्र हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. दोगांनी एकत्र येवन स्पोर्ट्साच्या प्रत्येक स्पोर्ट्स हातूंत झगडी केस्तांव जाल्ल्या म्हाका दिसता दीस इज अनस्पोर्ट्समॅनली. Normally, they should come together. We are trying to work out. Both factions are my faction. So I am trying to get together.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Parvari.
Goa is all set for Navratri celebrations. All 9 nights are set to rock on the beats of Dandiya. Markets are full with exclusive Dandiya outfits and colorful Dandiyas. Here, have a look.
ऑरेंज कलरान येता तिरंगी म्हणून येता तिरंगी येता मागीर तुमकां डॅरिंगाची अशी घुंवडावपाची येता कॅरिंगाची अशी ही बोटाक घेवन अशी घोणोवपाची अशी येता आनी खूब तरेतरेचे खूब आयटम येता काणयान एकूच भाशेचे येना चुंदरीन म्हणून येता लोकांक वरायटी वायज प्लेन अशी प्लेन येता थोड्या लोकांक अशी प्लेन जाय पडटा अशी प्लेन जाय पडटा थोडे लोक प्लेन मुद्दम मागून वतात कित्याक आवाज मोठ्यान येवंक म्हणून
सध्या ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट झालेले आसा खुबशे जाणी वयतात पूण ऑर्डरी दिवन जाल्ले चालू आसा
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.